Hey guys, John Engel here, and today we're going to talk about a tire and wheel hack that can get you a reduced price for new tires and new wheels. Alright, so before we get started, I know I'm looking funny. I came directly from work today, so I'm a little bit more dressed up, but we're still going to go over the same content, so stay tuned. Alright, now that we're talking about wheels and tires, the first thing that we have to do is actually dress appropriate. And to do that, you need to check in the link below where I've now got all my t-shirts up and some new designs as well. I'm kind of putting them up right now so you can see what's there, but just check in the link below and you'll be able to get any of these. I have them at reduced rates, so they're as cheap as they can be. Hopefully you like them, pick up a t-shirt. If not, you're supporting the channel anyway. Hit the like, hit subscribe, share with your friends, and let's get started. Alright, so I'm talking about wheels and tires, and as you can tell behind me, I've got my 96 Cobra, and she is a little worse for wear. These tires on here are totally dry rotted, and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean, but I absolutely love the Steeda wheels. They need to be refurbished, they're old, and they've got some curb rash, so I went down to a tire shop and got a price for some tires. It came out to about $570 to $650 depending on what tires. $570 were no name brand, and then the 6 something were a little better name, but we're not talking about like BFG, Goodyear, Nittos, you know. So I decided, what's a better way to go? And a lot of people go with aftermarket wheels and tires, so the best thing you can do is look for someone's takeoffs, which are sitting in front of me. Thanks to Alan, I was able to purchase these for a fraction of the price of new tires. I get new wheels, I can take these off, refurbish these, replace the tires, and then I have another set. So what I'm going to do is actually use these. And as you can see, these have such good tread on them, and they're Goodyear F1s, so they're a good tire. Now they are a little older. I would not suggest that you do this if you're looking for a daily driver. You probably want to go something that has a new tire so that you get all the performance. This car gets used very rarely. I was lending it out for a little while, so now my dad is using it again, and I just need something for him to go back and forth to the golf course, and he doesn't go fast, so these tires will absolutely do it. I won't have to worry about him calling me, which is what happened, and saying that the tire is flat already. So these are going to get put on. We're able to do it. Looking for a set of good tires and good wheels that someone took off saved me roughly $200 on this whole ordeal. And I have another set of wheels and tires, which means when I get these refurbished, I put new tires on these, I can take these off and then resell them again. I probably won't get the same amount that I paid, but I'm still getting money back. So if you're in the market and trying to replace some tires, this is a good thing to do. If your car sits most of the time, definitely look for the tire hack. Get some wheels, get some tires that are off of somebody else's car that are taking up space in their garage. They make a little money, you save a lot of money, and this is the way to go. Now remember, with my Corvette, I went ahead and bought brand new tires for it. The reason is, when I drive that car, I drive it aggressively, and I want to make sure that all the grip is there. So I'm not telling you to buy used tires every time. This is just a good way for me to get this car back on the road without having to spend that much money, and still I get an updated look with new wheels and tires. So it's a win-win for me. I'm not saying that it's for everyone, but it is a good way to kind of save money and keep money into a wheel and tire package. Anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed this little nugget of information. I'll try not to look like this next time. Make sure you check out my site where you can buy hoodies, t-shirts, and stickers, and we'll catch you next time.